Okay, it is videoing now, and the video button, there's the video camera, so it's on now. So this is our video, our new Sunday video, y'all.
Sorry for the delay.
Sorry for the delay.
Yeah.
This is a present that I gave Luke.
15-year-old rocket.
Look, show them the date. It says right there. Can y'all see right there? Go ahead, just open it up, man.
2004, landed made in China.
We're down here. I know, really. We're down here at historic Camden, in Camden, South Carolina, and this is he's just gonna try to rip into this birthday rocket.
Okay. There.
And he wants me to do it, so he's going to give it to me, and he's going to do the filming and the narrating, and it makes some kind of loud, long whistle and whatnot. So, let me know whenever you're ready.
So, like, what do you do? How
Well,
do you,
I don't know. Here, you video me. You just hold it like that.
Alright.
Remember, the camera is right there. So, I don't know how you do it, but this is the rocket part, and apparently it goes. They're 120 feet up in the air. I have no idea how to do it. It says...
It's going to make a whistling noise, so y'all might want to cover your ears.
So you might want to cover your ears.
I can't, especially.
Instruction during playing. One hand, hold the top handle. Not across the bottom edge. Other hand, hold the bottom handle. Not across the bottom. And then... Alright, I think I know how. Alright. So, I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but...
Hold up. So, how do you do it?
It doesn't say just to do anything. All it says is to twist. It says to bottom handle, top handle, and then it says together. I think the rocket takes off.
Well, I want to cover my ears.
Well, you can't do that in this. You ready?
No. I'm nervous. It's going to make it's going to be like really screechy.
Before you know it. I don't know how to do it either. But,
Hold up.
Boo.
I'm trying to hold it correctly.
Don't worry about your ears. It's not going to be that loud, I promise.
Then do it.
And then make sure you try to see it because you can't do it. It's too hard.
Well, that's how it does it.
Is there like gunpowder in there?
Oh! Hey. I'd do it again.
Gunpowder in it. That's pretty cool.
Oh, it don't whistle.
So you can do it over and over.
Oh, it don't whistle.
Here, now you can do it.
Alright, you do it. You have to film it.
So you have to put the thing back on. And then you just put it back together like that and then just go push it all. What? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, yeah. I thought it had gunpowder in it.